How to fix charging was on hold due to iPhone temperature. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Let us first understand what this means. It basically means your iPhone is overheating, and to protect it and the battery, it temporarily stops charging. This usually happens when you are charging in direct sunlight, or you are using heavy apps while charging, like games or video editing, or you are charging with a case on that traps heat, or simply the room or environment is just too hot. And if you want to fix this issue, the first thing is to try to unplug the charger. Next, take off the case and give it room to breathe. Next, move your iPhone to a cooler spot or shade or AC. Also, make sure to stop using power-hungry apps that is large or requires more energy, and avoid wireless charging. It generates more heat than wired. And most importantly, don't put it in the fridge or freezer. Sudden temperature changes can mess up internal components. So, this was about how you can fix charging on hold due to iPhone temperature. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.